Okay guys, it's a Thai silk village, Chiang Mai. Let's check it out on Coffee Chill TV. Klang Carp. So there we are, people. Amazing Thai silk at the Thai silk village of Chiang Mai. You know, I'm not in the market for the products there, but I saw the silk ties. I tell you what, brought back some memories of my white collar employment days in Australia, but that ship's flown. I'm now happily retired and happily to be a tourist visiting this place, which is, you know, well worth putting on your list of places of interest here in Chiang Mai. And there are many more places of interest also in the back catalogue of Coffee Chill TV if you want to check those out either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video at the Thai Silk Village, and let's see you in the next one. Cheers.